Hey everyone, and welcome to Simplilearn's YouTube channel where we will be learning top UI and UX tools to master in 2022. Whenever it relates to user analysis and design, UX technologies perform a lot of intensive tasks. You can save both money and time by using these tools to help you to understand, arrange, and express your points. When choosing a tool, numerous factors need to be taken. In this video, we will learn about some UI and UX tools. So without any further delay, let's move ahead for our session. But before we start, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss an update from Simplilearn. So to start off with, let's understand the top UI and UX tools to master in 2022. And the first one is Adobe XD. All the graphic designers are familiar with the Adobe industry's leading software, including Illustrators and the Photoshops. These Adobe XD cloud products are beneficial to the UI and UX designers. Photoshops can be used to modify, composite, and produce visual content such as arts and graphics. Some of its features are they can change the master component, then distribute it throughout the company. And it is perfect for designers in huge business and organizations with the necessity for asset uniformity. And it is good for prototyping and designing. And it works on Mac OS and Windows. Next one is Sketch. In order to create high-quality prototypes and the interfaces with just an intermediate preview on the mobile devices, Sketch has become a common UX tool. It has an icon that makes it easier to construct UI elements for reuse. With the help of these capabilities, it is possible to create design systems and uphold consistency in interface design. Some of its features are user can generate mockup using these design and prototype tools and share them with the group for the feedbacks. To get an accurate knowledge of the final product, they can add photographs and edit the text. And it is good for prototyping and designing, and it works on Mac. The third one is Invision Studio. It is a set of 3 UI and UX tools that offers user a centralized workspace for the collaboration and quick screen design prototyping. All the prototypes, sketches, and the designs are accessible in one place. So thanks to Invision Cloud. Communication is also made simpler through Invision Studio, and they can get intermediate input and stay informed about the document's modification at every stage. Some of its features are the Studio platform provides a simple method for quickly producing responsive design for the any screen, as well as the ability to quickly test a user experience with the vector-based drawing capabilities. It mimics users' navigation by animating screen changes, and it is good for prototyping and UI designing, and it works on Mac OS. The next one is Figma. It is one of the top UI design programs. It features a drag-and-drop user interface designers that enables cross-organization collaboration. One of the few UX solutions that unites designers, developers, and project managers is Figma. Some of its features are it takes pride in being an organization's single source of truth. You can upload approved reusable elements, icons, fonts, and style. Team members can check code as well as extract the key role. And it is good for designing, and it works on browser, macOS, and Windows. The next one is Framer X. One of the most powerful UX tools is Framer, which was formerly known as a Framer X. It provides demonstration of a future product's functionality and performs that are so close to reality as possible. Professional UI designers aiming to produce amazing prototypes that should consider using Framer. Some of its features are it provides collaborative early stage creation input from the JavaScript, and it supports the development of complex and advanced prototypes, including the projects for augmented reality and virtual reality. It aids in the establishing minor yet important transitions, and it is good for prototyping, and it works on browser and macOS. And the sixth one is Flowmapp. It is another specialized UX tool that makes it onto our list. The tool works best for IAS, sitemaps, user flow, and websites. Using Flowmapp, several teams may see the workflows quickly. When creating a UX strategy, structure, flow, and the sitemaps need to receive a lot of considerations. There are several technologies available that integrate UI and UX tools in a single platform. Some of its features are: it is a straightforwarding sitemap tool that facilitates teamwork and the website page construction. Customer personas are created with the help of the persona tool. And it is good for wireframing and web designing. And it works on browser. The next one is Origami Studio. In contrast to other UX design tools like Invision, it is extremely advanced software that's specially for experts. It was originally developed for the Facebook designers, but it is now freely accessible. It has a steep learning curve that makes it a difficult prototyping tool for the new users. And it is one of the most advanced UX tools available, and it creates interaction that are realistic and offer easy sketch integrations. Some of its features are: it creates a prototype logic using the patch editors, and it has a substantial fix library that can be accessed instantly. And the components from the sketch can be copied and pasted without any issues. And it is good for design missions, and it works on Android, macOS, and iOS devices. The next one is Balsamiq. Is among the greatest UI design software and a popular wireframing tool among designers, product managers, and innovators. And it was specially created to make low-fidelity wireframes. Despite its simplicity, this tool is recommended for the UX designers of all the levels to quickly demonstrate the usability of a given website or the applications. Any product manager or business owner trying to put an idea on paper will find Balsamiq to be very much helpful. Some of its features are: it helps in the creation of low-tech wireframes that focus on the utility and the user flow. A drag and drop editor is available to make design quick and easy. And it works on mockup and wireframe, and is good for browser, Mac OS, and Windows. The next one is Marvel. Another excellent UI and UX tool is Marvel, which can be used to create a variety of hi-fi and lo-fi wireframes, prototypes, HTML, and CSS handoffs. It is a fantastic tool for polishing the interface for the prototypes and giving it a finished look. The learning curve for this app design tool is quite minimal, and it makes the tool efficient and developing at the interface and creating prototypes. Some of its features are: it provides testing, handoff, and fast prototyping, and it enables you to easily construct pages and even use a prototype to test your design. And it is good for wireframing, animations, and it works on web, Android, and iOS device. And the last one is Axure. The dynamic content, conditional logic, and the adaptable views capabilities of the Axure RP UI design tools allow you to quickly create the prototypes that function similarly to the real things. In order to exchange design with the stakeholders, you may also connect Axure to the well-known design software like Sketch. Some of its features are: you may instantly distribute prototypes with the organization for the intermediate feedback using the built-in Axure cloud capability. It enables UX designers who don't frequently work with the coding to transfer a design to the development team with the full documentation. And it is good for prototyping, and it works on Windows and macOS. So with this, we have come to the end of this session on the topic UI and UX tools to master in 2022. If you have any queries regarding any topic covered in this session, then please feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and our expert will be more than solve all the queries at the earliest. Until next time, thank you, stay tuned, and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.